So another one of the design theme that was sent to me is making one landing page of one host who's into, say, skill building, right? So build a landing page of a skill trainer, right? Make sure to list his achievements, his current and past course offerings, and also make sure to add some of the social media or contact options in the bottom, and see use blog in the footer or social media and contacts, right? So one of the things we have to explicitly mention is let's see, explain cards modules being taught by trainer for specific skills. Use let's say this particular trainer is into tech-based skills. Use any tech-based skill, like say DevRel or maybe connection with community type of, etc. Right? So what we'll do is we'll basically ask it to use as less credits as possible to build this. Right? Now what we are building is building a landing page for a skill trainer, and make sure to list his achievements, explaining cards, the modules being taught by trainer for specific skills. Use any tech-based skill like DevRel, etc. His current and past course offerings. Use a block in the footer for social media and contacts, and use less credit as possible to build this. Now one more thing, I have to check how many credits I have. 2.5. Still I can squeeze a design, something like that. So okay, or say C# trainer or even blockchain trainer, right? So we have to use one of the skill out of this, and once it does, it will build his achievements. Okay, so build a single landing page for skill trainer, right? List his achievements, explain in cards the modules being taught, right? Use any tech-based skill, etc. Right? Then it's current and past offerings, and blocks for footer for social media and contacts. And all of this we want to compress into as less credits as possible, right? So I'll just push this and see how it goes. So as you can see, it is thinking of building one of the landing page for developer relation trainer with achievements, course modules, contact information, and so on. And it should also make use of card-based layout and professional approachable tone and tech specific colors, right? Also typography is covered. Okay, so we managed to squeeze a lot within this. Unfortunately, it could not use less credits. Instead, in fact, it has managed to use like 1.7 or so. So here you see the sidebar we have moved, and this is the landing page. So master tech with training, you have courses, achievements, student train part. These are the blocks, are very important. You can even get them down if you want to. Next, the achievements recognition. You can see that person is MVP, speaker, contributor, instructor. Then course modules you have like this: relation mastery, cloud architecture, web, then AI tools, backend, tech leadership, right? The current courses you can see: cloud native and DevRel bootcamp. And so the date part, I'm not sure why it went to 24, right? So that we have to edit. Another part, we have to also edit the part specific to any other year, right? This is our 25, 26 should be there, 26, not even 2 years back, right? So we will have to edit this part, right? So for that we can take this to GitHub and edit, or we can use our remaining credits, as you can see, 0.8 left, to do anything further, right? So this particular landing page we built using Lovable.